Hi, my name is Ben, and the rubber installation on my property was done in stages. I wanted to test the product before committing to a larger area. I have sections that were installed 6 years ago, 5 years ago, 3 years ago, and last year. As I saw over the years, the product was durable with the harsh winters. I added more installation to my surface on my property. Take, for example, this entrance, which is 5 years old. It looks as good as new, shining, as if it was just installed. Why did I do it in stages, you say? Well, to be honest, I wasn't familiar with rubber paving and EPDM surfacing, so I had my concerns about how it would perform with freezing and thawing cycles. After having bad experiences with other products in the past, I decided to take it slow and test the product before committing to a larger area. My concerns were completely alleviated over the years as I saw that this product holds up well and there's no issues with cracking and breaking due to freezing and thawing. In conclusion, I highly recommend port-in-place rubber surfacing. The money value is excellent when compared to other products on the market. I've even recommended it to my neighbors, and they have started installing it as well.